While a healthy diet and exercise are crucial for managing blood pressure, certain vitamins and minerals may also help lower blood pressure levels naturally. Here are the top 5 vitamins that may be beneficial for managing blood pressure. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to high blood pressure. Getting enough vitamin D through sun exposure or supplements may help lower blood pressure levels. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for adults is 600 to 800 IU per day. 2. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. The recommended daily intake of magnesium for adults is 400 to 420 milligrams per day. 3. Potassium. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body and can help lower blood pressure levels. Potassium-rich foods include bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, and beans. The recommended daily intake of potassium for adults is 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams per day. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that may help lower blood pressure levels by improving blood vessel function. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is 75 to 90 milligrams per day. 5. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 is an antioxidant that helps improve blood vessel function and may help lower blood pressure levels. CoQ10 can be found in small amounts in organ meats, fatty fish, and whole grains. It can also be taken as a supplement. The recommended daily intake of CoQ10 varies depending on the individual, but a typical dosage is 100 to 200 milligrams per day. It's important to note that while these vitamins and minerals may be helpful in managing blood pressure, they should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. Consult with your healthcare provider before taking any supplements or making changes to your diet. Why is it important to consume minerals for high blood pressure? Minerals play an important role in regulating blood pressure levels in the body. Here are a few reasons why consuming minerals is important for managing high blood pressure. Sodium and potassium balance. Sodium is an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. However, excessive sodium intake can increase blood pressure levels, especially in people who are sodium sensitive. On the other hand, potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium and can help lower blood pressure levels. Consuming adequate amounts of potassium can help balance sodium levels and manage high blood pressure. Magnesium and calcium. Magnesium and calcium are 2 minerals that help regulate blood vessel function and can help lower blood pressure levels. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, which reduces resistance to blood flow and lowers blood pressure levels. Calcium helps muscles contract, including the muscles and blood vessels, and can help lower blood pressure levels by promoting relaxation. Other important minerals. Other minerals, such as zinc and iron, also play a role in regulating blood pressure levels. Zinc helps improve blood vessel function and can help lower blood pressure levels. Iron deficiency has been linked to high blood pressure, although the exact mechanisms are not fully understood. In summary, consuming minerals is important for managing high blood pressure because they help regulate blood vessel function, balance sodium and potassium levels, and promote overall cardiovascular health. It's important to consume a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods to ensure adequate mineral intake.